Good evening, all.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Welcome back to today's session. I hope you remember what we are learning, that is accent detection. And I hope you might have downloaded all the facilities I have asked you to do. Sounds of English. Is that in your phone?
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Wonderful,
Yes, ma'am.
wonderful. Okay. So this time, can you practice along with the phone now while listening to this one? Can you practice that?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes,
Just try, just try. Wait, I'll ask you to listen a particular sound. That is,
Ma'am.
yes, dear.
Ma'am, can
Who is this?
Using the laptop.
Sorry,
I'm using the laptop.
but you can having you might be having a phone, right?
Yes, I have it in my phone, but my mother's not here.
Mother is not there. It's okay, fine, no issues. Okay, we'll understand. So this
Ma'am.
time, huh?
Ma'am, can I go take my phone?
Yeah, please. And during this time, I'll ask everyone to unmute. This is a very clear instruction in all my classes.
Ma'am, can I also take the phone?
Yeah, please, everybody, go, go, go. Hurry, pick the phone. Whoever wants the phone, go, pick it. Done? You all have it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I'm telling you one instruction very clearly. In any of my classes, all my classes, I want my students to come with the audio option on, which means you should not mute it. You should not, you must not mute audio. Why? We are dealing with sounds. So do not make me repeat the same instruction every week. Next week onwards, please remember. Okay, so all right, this time I'm going to teach you R sound at the end. Some words which are ending with R sound. Here we will not use the R sound. Instead, we will use only this particular sound. Sorry. Where is it? Navneet, I told you don't do that. Next time anybody doing like that will be removed. Okay, I was telling you about R ending words. R ending words. Okay, for example, AIR. AIR. Here the R is the ending word is R. Okay, so we will never use this kind of R anywhere anymore. This sound will never come R when there is R ending words. Instead, we will be using this sound. So everybody, open your app, take the alphabetic chart, take the IPH chart, and find this symbol. Yes, who's talking? Who's talking?
Ma'am, I can't hear correctly.
Sorry,
I cannot correctly.
baby. Can you just send me a chat? It's not audible proper. Okay. So yeah, I can listen that many students are practicing. So the sound of this particular symbol is air. Air. Air.
Air.
When I write AIR is transcribed as air. Clear? We can make the whole word to this only particular diphthong symbol, air. So we will read, we will understand more words like this, how to read the transcription of those words. Let me see who is writing. I lost it. Can you send the chat again, because I'm not able to see it here. Who was that having the doubt? Could you ask me now? Well, okay. Many saints in class. I think that is in the coming days. I really don't have an idea about it. I'll share the timetable, but still you can stay in the class. It's okay. You're all a group, right? Same school. No differences, A, B, or C. Okay. So, Advait, is it clear now, Advait? Advait, is it clear now? I think he lost. Yeah, he was having some problem at his end, and he lost his connection. He's back. See, when there is a problem, it is certainly from at your end. So check your connectivity and try moving to other places. Okay. So now you know what sound we are going to learn. That is air. Air. All right?
Air.
Yeah. When I write a sound as an egg, a sound as an egg, and a sound as an away. Together, when I write this together, this is air. So can you please identify these two sounds from the app you have? Can you please identify these two sounds from the app you have, which is
Yes, ma'am.
for me, it is here, and this. Read it. So what is Ken Shibin doing? What is Ken doing? Simply sitting idle as usual? Should I remove you?
Yeah, ma'am, it is in my this phone, ma'am. The phone which I am seeing.
Oh, I see. But try listening to it. Okay. Thank you, Kevin. Thank you, Ken. Sorry. Listen to that sound, these two sounds. A as an egg and Okay. So now just listen to it 10 times. 10 times alternatively. First this one and this one. In enough. I can listen that you're also repeating with that but Ken, you're not repeating. I was seeing you were not practicing at all. So you practice now along with this. If you just simply listen and sit idle without moving your lips, you will never learn. Understand that you must practice it. Don't make me repeat this all the time. Ninette, what about you? Anashwara. Jahan, Muhammad Salim, everybody come with the video. Benedict, mute. Suryadev, mute it. Enough. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, so we are moving to a particular reading practice, which is reading phonetic transcription.
Prepare.
Don't read now. Don't read now. I'll give you a chance. Okay, don't worry. So you have to only look at this transcription part, only this side, here only. Okay, don't look here. If you have any doubt, only then look there. So you can see ka a a. What's that? Hair. Excellent. Excellent. That's it. This is so simple. Reading phonemics transcription is so simple, but you have to practice little bit at the beginning. Okay. Now you can all read this very simply. Next one. Next one. Next. Wait. I didn't ask you to read the entire list in a moment, at a stretch. You have to wait for my instructions before reading another one. Okay? When I ask you to read, then only you read it. Till here you're okay. But here we have to look at one another sound. Look at this particular symbol. Look at this particular symbol. You find it right? Or this? Or see a chart in your phone. Check it. Practice with that, Nadeem. Okay, that is a sh sound. Sh sound. We don't call it sh. We only say it as sh in sound in isolated, as isolated. Sh. In a word, sh. Whatever it is. Sh, say, she, true. Okay, so this is share. So we have learned a sound, air, sh. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sounds. Okay, so going to next one. Read it. Pair. All right.
Hair.
This one.
Hair.
You don't need to stretch it to something in a big way, like you don't need to exaggerate it. Just it is written. Hair. And stop now. I'm going to teach you something different. Suryadev and Irene, if you don't want to join the class, you can leave, but you are not allowed to sit without video and audio. You're not allowed to do this anymore, Suryadev. I hope the message is very clear. Whoever is sitting without the video must switch it on. What do you think? You can do anything when you come in here, Surya? It's been many times that I'm observing that you're doing the same thing. Irene, if you're in the class, turn it on.
Where?
That's okay. Irene has sent me a message. Computer video is not working properly. That's okay, completely fine. Thank you so much. But in such cases, you have to inform me priorly. Don't make me speak like this anymore. So here you can see something which I have written here as DI. Then there is some kind of apostrophe mark, right? We call it apostrophe normal punctuation. So then is Claire. Okay. So what is this? This is not apostrophe, but what is this?
A.
It is not apostrophe. So I'll answer your question.
T.
In this phonemic chart, you can see this box. One is here, another is here. These two are called stress symbols. These two are called stress symbols. What do you call it? Can you tell? Can you see?
Stretch symbols.
Surya.
It's simple.
Stretch symbols. Stretch symbols.
It is not stretch.
Stretch symbols.
Surya, you got to answer my question. What do you call it? I think he has got poor connectivity. Surya, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Stress.
Yes, fine. So whenever you see these symbols, maybe up or down, you have to understand that there is a pause and a pitch. I'll explain you how it is. So here, DI, there is a stress symbol. So which means till the stress symbol, the sound should go plain. The voice should go plain. Then I'm writing clear. Here it has to be, the voice should go up. For this particular section, clear, your voice should go up. You are making a pause here, giving a straight, making a pause. For the next section, it is going up, and when it is air, it is going straight. Okay, like this. So I will write it here like this. Okay. Like this. Like a staircase model. All right. So this is what a stress symbol means. Give it a pose, pitch it, take it straight. Okay. So shall we read this together? Declare.
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 Everybody.
Declare.
Together?
Declare.
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 Stress symbols, you have to read it like this. Wherever you're seeing a stress symbol, for example, here, the same style. How would you read it now? Compare. Compare.
Compare.
Compare.
Compare.
Compare. Sound. Compare. All right. Read it. Now. Yes, read everyone. All right, so Suryadev, please don't feel bad. If you have any connectivity problem, please be open, tell me, and don't sit, silent. Okay, if you have any problem, if the video is turned on, if it's going to affect your network, then you have to tell me. Otherwise, I will not understand. Okay, so I hope you have practiced, you will be practicing this session after watching the YouTube video. And I'll see you next week. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
And I would really like to say that this was a wonderful performance. You all practiced so well, and I can see a good number of attendees here. 25 was there. Now, due to the connectivity problem, some left. So happy about it. Thank you so much for this. I'm so grateful.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Next week, everyone. Till then, bye-bye. Stay blessed.
Thank you,
And
ma'am.
keep practicing.
Bye-bye, ma'am. Bye-bye.